Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Nothing Edited. It's Father's Day and I'm heading up to the community center. I'm going to hook up with Les and Teresa from over there at Lone Star Pioneering. They have the annual Father's Day gun show. So, matter of fact, as soon as I make this turn, y'all see that banner up there? Can y'all see that? That's where I'm headed. So, I'll catch y'all once I get there. You'll see all the flags over there? They got it all decked out today. I've been behind this vehicle and the one ahead of it, and I'm not even doing 20 miles an hour. Gosh almighty. I think they got the driver's license out of Cracker Jack's box. Jesus. Alright, there's our little sign saying Dayton Community Center. Now, somewhere up in here is Lone Star Pioneering. I just gotta find him. I'll see y'all on the inside. Okay, y'all, I didn't do video inside. It was frowned upon. I hope y'all enjoyed the pictures that I did take. I had a good time with Les and Teresa in there from over there at Lone Star Pioneering. I did a raffle. We'll see. Hey, who knows? Maybe I'll win the gun they had. But do those little flags right there. But that's the end of this video. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and y'all have a great rest of y'all's day. And as always, y'all do something nice for somebody today. This is Nothing Edited, and I'm out. That was a good ending to the gun show. This gentleman out here is hot as all get out. Y'all, it's 95 degrees.